Davao, Mindanao, Southern Philippines, good day. Bringing you the eye of the latest news of the hour. This is Ferdinand Garcia Jr. for the MGP Chronicle News. And for the headline, Philippine inflation slows to 1.8% in March, lowest since 2020. The Philippine inflation rate continued its deceleration streak for the second straight months, slowing down below 2% in March 2025. PSA chief and national statistician Claire Denise Mapa reported that last month's inflation measures the rate of increase in the prices of consumers' goods and services clocked in at 1.8%. Additionally, the reasons for this is the slow inflation of food and beverage from 2.6% to 2.2%, following the transportation with negative 1.1% from negative 2.0%, and the restaurant and accommodation services at 2.3% from 2.8%. March inflation notes thus the lowest inflation rate since May 2020 with 1.6%. This slowdown of inflation is the product of government's proactive measures to stabilize prices and protect the purchasing power of Filipino households, ensuring that every Filipino benefits from a stable and resilient economy. This is Ferdinand Garcia Jr. for the MGP Chronicle News.